Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Waze application from your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Waze application from your iPhone, then the process is quite simple. Go ahead and navigate through your app drawer and look for Waze app. Long press the application and you'll be able to see a pop-up. Tap on Remove App and in the pop-up, select Delete App option. Select Delete one more time in the pop-up and you'll be able to delete your Waze application from your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If you recently deleted your Waze application and you'd like to delete it from your system as well, that is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.